Hi, I'm Gizzy Erskine, and here is the wonderful Ken Hom. Ken, what are we cooking now?
Well, I thought I'd do something which I learned in France. Taking duck breasts and stir-frying it in oyster sauce. I'm going to slice the duck, and while I'm slicing the duck, if you could probably slice the onion and also chop the garlic. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it in the classical Chinese way of marinating it in the Lee Kum Kee premium light soy sauce, touch of sherry or Chinese rice wine, some of the Lee Kum Kee pure sesame oil, and we finish that off with corn flour. What does that do? The corn flour coats the meat and also keeps the marinade on the meat. Now, what we want to do is we want to add a couple tablespoons of oil. When it's very hot like that, that tells me it's hot enough. I add the duck. I'm putting a colander over the same bowl. Okay. Oh, you're fast.
I'm good. Yep. Wow, look at the caramelization on that.
Yeah, and that's really very, very quick.
So quick.
Now, by the way, what I've done with the fat of the duck is I've rendered it. I cut it into 2 strips and rendered it.
That's certainly a way to my heart.
We take this, drain it all off.
Wow, oh, that's interesting.
Put the wok back on.
Yeah.
And we'll throw all your onion and garlic into there. At this point, because I'm not adding any more oil, this is what's so healthy about real wok cooking, is you add a tiny bit of water just to keep it moist. And when the onions are nice and soft, we will return the duck back. I'm adding the Lee Kum Kee premium oyster sauce, and this is absolutely wonderful. Usually, when I cook, I just pour it on like this. This is so simple and savory. I just add a tiny bit of their Chuzhou chili oil. I can't help it.
Yeah, I'm with you.
Just heat that up and we're done. And absolutely wonderful. The skin, which I've rendered, which will add a bit of crunch, and finish that with just a sprinkling of fresh coriander. And there you have it. Savory duck in lovely oyster sauce.